It's Calligraphy Basics, and today we are doing letters Q to S. Let's run through our basic strokes briefly. So we've got our entry and exit stroke, we've got our underturn, our overturn, our oval, our compound curve, our ascender, and finally our descender. First up, we've got the letter Q. Here we start with our entry stroke, accompanied by the oval. Then we have what I call the backwards descender. So instead of the curve being on the left, it's on the right. And then we finish it with an exit stroke. And let's bring it together for the letter Q. Now we have the letter R. So we start off with a slightly longer entry stroke, and then we combine that with a modified stroke. So here I would say you start off as though you're doing a mini underturn, but instead of going up, you come down into a larger underturn and then finish that stroke for the letter R. Onto the letter S. We start off with our extended entry stroke, and again we start off with a mini underturn but come down into a backwards oval and then finish it with our little dot about a third of the way up, and then we complete it with the exit stroke. So let's bring that all together. Mini underturn coming down into the oval, little dot, exit stroke, the letter S. We're almost through with our series on the alphabet. Join me next week for the next few letters.